everyone. We are going to start a new chapter, that is adjective. What is adjective? Okay, so this is your chapter. This is chapter 5 and we are going to read adjective. Now first we will read the definition of adjective. That is, an adjective is a word that describes noun or a pronoun. Okay, in many sense we read that an adjective is a qualifying noun. Okay, but here we are reading some advanced definition. That adjective is a word that describes noun or a pronoun. It is very easy. It is very easy, and there are some examples. Okay, so what is really adjective is? Adjective means the word which is describing. There are certain words which is describing noun or a pronoun. Now you know what is noun or a pronoun. Noun is a naming word and pronoun comes before noun. Okay, it replaces noun, isn't it? So there are example is beautiful. Beautiful. And if I am saying any sentence, you have to identify the adjective. Okay. And what is adjective? Adjective is a describing. What is a? It's word that describes noun or a pronoun. I'll tell you what is describing word. Don't worry. Okay. What is describe means? Describe means to explain. I tell you na, explain yourself. अपने बारे में बताओ. Like describe means something which is explaining about noun or pronoun. There are certain words which is explaining. Okay. I'm writing here. Explaining or describing also. Can write describing also. Okay, these all are similar meaning. Okay, and noun or pronoun, isn't it? Now come to the sentences. Khushi is a beautiful girl. If I'll say, please identify the adjective here, you will underline beautiful. If I say please underline noun here, Khushi is the name of a person. Noun, see here, pay attention. Beautiful is describing Khushi. That Khushi is a beautiful girl, isn't it? जो beautiful है वो बता रहा है खुशी कैसी लगती है, beautiful. So now it is describing, explaining about whom? About Khushi, and Khushi is a noun. Okay, if I am taking this similar example here, she is a beautiful girl. Okay, if I say please identify adjective here, you will say ma'am this is the adjective, correct? And if I say please identify pronoun here, you will say ma'am this is a pronoun, isn't it? Now it is again describing pronoun. What I have told you in the definition, that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Now it is clear to you? Clear? So this is very easy. Adjective is not very tough, nothing. So come to the next one. Aditya is playing football. If I say please identify adjective here, so you will say ma'am playing is the adjective. Okay, and if I say please identify noun here, then adjective will be a noun because it is the name of a person. So again it is describing what? Noun. And if I am replacing Aditya, if I am writing he, then it will be a pronoun. Again it is describing pronoun. This is whole things is adjective. I am giving you some more sentences to understand it. Okay. Now there are some more examples. Not example sentences are there so that you will understand more and more adjective. This is a beautiful beach. This is a beautiful beach. Beach means what? You have seen beach like Goa, Digha. There are some beaches are there where you will see a very big ocean and sandy areas are there. That is called beach. Okay. And so now you have to identify this adjective here. So what you have to do? Identify the adjective. I am writing here. Identify the adjective. So what you have to do? You have to. This is a beautiful beach. Now what is adjective here? I told you in the previous class, in the previous sentences that beautiful is the adjective. Okay. Now the second one, small children are playing. Now the activity you are doing, that is adjective. Okay. The activity is here playing. You are playing. Okay. Now third one, they saw a white shell. Now white is the adjective here. White is adjective, it is the color. So it is the activation of a color, that is white. Okay, it can be red, it can be any color. So this is adjective. Now I can tell me noun over here. Tell me noun over here. What will be the noun? This is the noun. Okay, beach. Now beautiful signifies beach. Beach sundar hai. Now beautiful is describing beach, and what is beach? This is a noun, isn't it? That's why I told you that it's describing noun or a pronoun. Okay. Now I am telling that please identify noun here in this sentence. What will be the noun? Children will be the noun. Okay. Now they saw a white shell. Shell will be the noun, isn't it? So it is describing noun or pronoun. It's called adjective. Okay, and I will send you some of the exercises of your book so that you will complete it. And please complete your previous homeworks. Okay, and send it to me. And something I want to tell you that wait, I have to erase this. Okay. There are some rules of adjective. Okay, that is, some adjective describes kinds of noun. There are so many kinds of noun. There are some adjective which is describing. What is that? An adjective is the word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It is clear? Okay. So an adjective usually comes before the noun. I was writing that question. This is a beautiful. What was the question? This is a beautiful beach. Okay. Again I am writing, this is a beautiful beach. Beach, okay. Now what I have read right now, that an adjective usually comes before the noun. Okay. This is the noun here, I told you. This is the noun here. Yes. And this is the adjective. So this adjective is coming before noun. Okay? Before noun, isn't it? So this is a rule of using adjective. Now the second one is, they tells us what kind of person, place, animal or thing noun is. When we study about noun, we have read some person, place, animal, things, isn't it? So this is beautiful, this is beach, then beach is a person. And previously I have told you that, I am writing it once again, that Khushi is a okay. Now first one was, this is a beautiful beach. That beach will be the place. Okay, or you should visit that place. You must have seen so many beaches in the photos and images also. This Khushi is a beautiful girl. Now I will tell you if ma'am, this is the adjective. Okay. Now this will be the noun. So if Khushi is a noun, then Khushi is a name of a girl. So she is a person. Now, as I told you that adjective comes before, and sometimes, not every time, sometimes it depends on you, okay, how you are using your sentences. So Khushi is a person here. Now beautiful is describing Khushi, so these all are examples to identify noun or pronoun or an adjective. Okay, I'll send you some of the exercises so that you will complete.